So, why do most traders lose money? Let's be honest. Trading sounds exciting, but the truth is most people fail at it. And here's why. They jump in without a plan. They let emotions take over. They chase profits, fall for FOMO, overtrade or over-leverage. They risk too much. They rely on signals they don't understand. And worst of all, they don't track what's working and what's not. Sound familiar? These are the exact problems that Jonny Blockchain was built to solve. At Jonny Blockchain, we've automated what traders struggle with the most so you can trade with clarity, consistency, and confidence. First, our AI-powered trading bots follow strict strategies with preset risk management, take-profit rules. That means no more emotional trades or guesswork. You don't need to be an expert. Just select your trading strategy, set your risk, and let the bot do the rest. Whether the market goes up or down, the bot reacts instantly, no fear, no hesitation. Second, you're always in control. We never hold your funds. Your money stays in your own wallet or exchange account. Our bot just executes the trades based on your settings or our default that have been tried, tested and proven to maximize profits over the past 9 years. Next, performance tracking. Every trade is logged and you can monitor results in real time. That way you can see what's working and optimize your approach with data, not emotion. Plus, we've built a paper trading simulator so you can test your strategy risk-free before you go live. That solves another big problem, losing money while learning. And here's the best part. You can choose to auto-compound your profits, apply smart reinvestment strategies. So, if you're tired of second-guessing your trades, if you've been burned by hype signals or gut feelings, then it's time to trade smarter, not harder. Get started today with Jonny Blockchain, where automation meets intelligent strategy. Visit JonnyBlockchain.com, test a strategy, and experience the difference yourself, because trading should be predictable, not emotional. And with Jonny Blockchain, it finally can be. Jonny Blockchain is a smart trading platform that uses AI-powered algorithms to trade the top cryptocurrencies for you, automatically. Here's why it stands out. No coding or experience needed. Your funds stay in your exchange or MetaMask wallet, never held by Jonny Blockchain. Trade 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, while you sleep or relax. Just $25 per year for unlimited bot setups. Setting up is simple. Just head over to Jonny Blockchain to create a free account. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, Jonny Blockchain gives you the edge to participate in crypto without the stress. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Want to deep dive into another crypto topic? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay informed, stay ready, and stay tuned, and happy trading.